Hi, my name is Lilibeth. I'm a nurse practitioner based in Ysbyty Aneurin Bevan in Vale.
And I'm Lolita based Nevill Hall Hospital, endoscopy and theatre for the past 20 years.
And as Lolita have mentioned, we have now served the Aneurin Bevan for 20 years. And we are happy and proud to say that we are still serving the trust for this long, and we will still continue to serve with pride. And we want to welcome more new nurses, more Filipino nurses and foreign nurses, and to join us.
And in behalf of the first cohort of Filipino nurses 2001, I would like to say how much grateful we are being recruited by Aneurin Bevan Health Board, and hopefully in the near future for anybody, foreign nurses, to join the trust, will have a better opportunity and will be given a better life, a better career for our patients, for our future, and for the trust. Thank you.
Thank you.